What's up guys, you're watching the Switch Show, and if you're new on my channel then don't forget to subscribe and like. Today our topic is PlayStation 5 error and how to fix the PlayStation 5 error, and the error is NP-103105-0. This service is currently under maintenance, so it's a network error because sometimes the server is down undergoing maintenance. And I'm just going to share my screen on my left side. Here we are, go to screen and then settings. Here we are. And user and account, you must check your PSN account is logged in and your console is logged in or not. Sometimes the console is not logged in automatically. Then go to the view PlayStation Network services. If you get here the right option, you just wait, Sony will fix this up automatically because of the server is down. Sony are working on the updates. And then go to the setup internet connection. Here is the frequency on the LAN cable and the Wi-Fi. So go to the advanced settings, set the frequency. Advanced setting, you can set the DNS servers, primary and the secondary DNS and MTU settings, and you also do it on the LAN WAN cable. And I'm just going to suggest you can use a LAN cable than the Wi-Fi directly connected from the router to PlayStation 4. You will get the better speed on it. And I hope you found my video helpful for you, and see you soon for the next one. If you want to ask me a question, then leave a comment in the comment box.